Thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory. My name is Gaston, and today we're going to be going over a 2020 Ventana 4037. I'm going to show you a lot of nice features. This particular unit is built 16-inch on center, just like a home frame. So really nicely built. If you're looking for something to travel the United States with you and your family, very nice feature with a lot of nice features in it. So let's take a look. As soon as we walk around, a couple things you're gonna see is that you're gonna have two nice slides on the living side, okay? You're gonna have a TV on the outside with a lot of nice storage, okay? You got an awning for the entrance, and you also, it also comes equipped with a 360-degree camera. You're gonna have a camera located right here in the front. You're gonna have a camera located on that slide, right up above. You're gonna have a couple in the rear, which I'll show you as we walk around. The first thing you're gonna notice as you walk up to this unit is all the storage that's available. If you're gonna be traveling the United States in something this nice, storage is always important. As you can see, you got a nice large bay. As you move past that, you're gonna have a nice large bay with an actual tray that slides out, that goes from one side to the other, and you can access it from either side. Very nice feature. One thing you'll also see in this particular storage, you're gonna have the same kind of feature, a nice sliding storage bin. The nice thing about this particular one is it doesn't go too far back, but if you ever need to get to anything that you have stored back there, you'd be able to access it with no problem. What you'll also see in this particular storage compartment is gonna be access to your vacuum system. So very nice feature, you know, comes equipped with, you know, the vacuum hose and, you know, easy to keep the coach clean. As we keep on walking back here, you're gonna have a nice little storage for tools. You can hang things up, you know, if you have hammers, you know, extension cords, anything like that, gives it a nice feature to know where all your tools are kept rather than having to search for them. One thing you'll see right here is that this particular unit is going to come with the tag axle. One of the benefits with that is once you get to this size of a unit, you know, turning might be an issue where it starts to skip or doesn't give you a nice, you know, easy turn. The tag axle not only is going to help with, you know, stability, but it's also going to help with turning radiuses. You'll also see that it comes equipped with nice large hydraulic system. That is part of your leveling system, automatic. Just press it with one button. As soon as you get set up, don't have to do anything else, and you're level and ready to start camping. As you walk towards the back, you'll see the exit door, okay? One of the nice features is if you ever needed to get out in an emergency, you could. It's not too high, and there is a way to get out. And we'll show you when we go inside. In this bin, you're gonna see that this is gonna be your chassis batteries, okay, with your filtration system for the diesel system and whatnot. This particular Ventana is equipped with the 400 Cummins diesel engine in it on the Spartan chassis. Very nice chassis, very nice engine. You have all the horsepower and torque, and if you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out, okay? As you can see right here, you do have access to the roof as well. The extension for the ladder was stored in the bay. Nice place to store it. So, you know, you can have more access to be able to, you know, pull your car or, you know, anything that you're gonna be towing behind this particular unit. As we come around towards the back, one thing you'll notice is, as I mentioned, there's a lot of storage. Okay, you're gonna have your storage system here, okay? And then you're also gonna have your engine block heater connection. So if you look right here, it's gonna, you know, if it gets too cold, you'll be able to plug in the engine so the diesel doesn't, you know, get slushed up. This is gonna give you another access for the same storage compartment. That way you can divide it up. This right here is going to be your tank for your diesel emissions fluid. This will allow you to make sure that you're, can continue running, and also, you know, part of the diesel emissions filtration system. As you walk back here, you're gonna have another storage compartment. Now, one of the nice things about this is that you're gonna have your filtration system for the whole coach. You're gonna have your water connection on a reel, okay? You got an outside shower, and then you also have, you know, the nice, you know, ease of access to draining any of your, you know, black water tanks, gray tanks, things like that. So very, very nicely kept in there and out of the weather. So very nice. In this particular storage compartment, this is probably one of my favorite features. It's gonna have the power reel for your connection to shore power. So the nice thing about that is when you go ahead and connect, you're done camping, you're ready to hit the road, you just disconnect, hit a button, and it will reel it for you rather than having to, you know, try to wrap it all in and then store it away. So very nice feature. This particular unit as well will come with the Oasis Chinook. It is a hydronic system which will keep your water hot continuously, and also it's going to heat your coach. Right now we have the heat pump running on the air conditioning. However, if you did want to run the Oasis, you know, to keep the, you know, coach hot or running the water, that shouldn't be an issue. This is going to be the access to the other side of your storage compartment. Once again, as I mentioned, you can go ahead and access it from both sides, and you can pull the tray out on each side. Right here, we'll have your house batteries. It looks like it's going to come equipped with 8 batteries. And once again, if you have any questions on which kind they use, please feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to give you the exacts on that. As we walk up to the front, this is going to be another compartment. This is going to have your, you know, release for your generator, which you can access from the front. And then it's also going to have your fuse, and then you're going to have extra fuses right here as well. So if you ever needed to replace anything, very easy access, and everything's right there, right in front of you. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this one is going to come equipped with the 360-degree camera. Another camera you're going to find is going to be right up here on the side of the coach, and then you're going to have one right here on the side and the front. The nice thing about that is if there is somebody in your blind spot, you got to get over. Maybe you didn't see them. You'll see them whenever you turn on that turning signal, or if you want to turn on that 360-degree camera. So very nice feature. This will also come equipped with a diamond shield cover in the front, okay, protecting from like rock chips, things like that. And then you also have it over by the entrance door handle, so keep you from scratching up the paint with your rings and stuff like that. As you can see right here, this is where you'll be able to access your generator, okay? You're gonna have an air connection for, you know, compressor, things like that. And once again, if you have any questions in regards to that, please reach out to me. We're gonna go ahead and go inside. Let's take a look what else is this particular unit has. Once again, it has a lot of nice features. You know, if I was gonna be living in something, it'd be something like this, because it has the top of the notch features in it. So as soon as you walk up to the door, once again, as I mentioned, you got the diamond shield right there. You're gonna have the diamond shield right here. You have a nice, you know, handle right here with, you know, the Newmar engraved. And then also you can set up your unique passcode or PIN to be able to unlock the door without having to carry your keys around. And it also comes equipped with a doorbell. Okay, so let's go inside. So we're inside of the 4037 Ventana. Once again, beautiful unit. First thing that you're going to notice is that you have a full tile floor, okay, very nicely set up. This particular one is going to come equipped with the heating under the floor as well, okay. Over here on the left hand side, or on the driver's side slide, you're going to have recliners. okay? And you're gonna have his, hers, or just two if you wanna hang out, read a book with nice lighting right above it and lots of light, you know, natural light that can come in as well. You're gonna have a nice little area right here, coffee, you know, or book stand, anything like that. So these buttons right over here are gonna give you the power to turn on the lights on and off. It will also allow you to put the TV down if you're not gonna be using it. So a very nice feature. As you can see, you'll have your recliners as well. You are gonna have a dinette system, okay? This does extend, and you do have extra chairs that come with it that are stored underneath the bed, okay? You're gonna have storage underneath on both sides. Once again, lots of storage, okay? You do have more lighting right above and a nice big window if you do want that extra, you know, lighting or natural lighting as well. If you keep on walking back here, you're gonna have a nice pantry, okay? And with 6 light outs, 6 drawers, allowing you to access, you know, anything that you have stored in this particular pantry. You'll have a nice residential refrigerator, okay? Filtered water, nice and deep. It also comes equipped with the ice machine as well. All right, we're in the bedroom now. Right here is going to be your controls for your lighting. Okay, this is also where you will turn on your heated floors. Okay, you're going to have nice large closet on both sides. You're going to have a window, nice TV, another closet, lots of drawers. Okay, nice large bed. And as you walk back here, we'll walk right into the bathroom. We'll come equipped with a really nice shower, okay, with a seat in it, okay. As you can see, lots of headroom and a place to sit as well. You'll have more storage back here, an extra closet with a safe back here also. Okay. As you can see, this comes equipped with a nice medicine cabinet, nice lighting, lots of counter space, a deep sink, and more storage right underneath, with more drawers on the side as well. So once again, lots of space. If you're going to be staying in it for extended periods of time, you know, lots of space and a lot of conveniences in it as well. As you step over to the side, you're going to see that this particular one does come equipped with a washer and dryer, stackable, nicely set up in there. So as you can see, I mentioned earlier, we do have the exit. It is behind the toilet seat, you know, but easy to access and escape in case of an emergency. All right, so you're gonna have a nice bed, walk around bed, lots of space, easy to get in and out, with lots of storage compartments up above. This particular one is gonna give you access, so if you do have somebody that uses, you know, a CPAP machine or has anything that they put up here that needs to have access to the underneath, you have that option, okay? Once again, the nice thing about this unit is not only all the additional features that it has, but a small thing, it does have windows and the slide out, giving you that natural light that is very, very important, okay? If we walk up to the front, this particular unit, once again, does come with a bath and a half. Go ahead and turn on the lights for you. If you do have friends that are going to be hanging out with you, need to use a restroom, they have access to that right there. And that is where you would be able to sweep your, you know, vacuuming system right into. And then you also have your plug-in for your vacuum right down there as well. Very nicely set up, nicely thought out. As you walk to the front, you're going to see a nice kitchen sink. It's going to be nice and deep, 2 sides. With the residential faucet, if you ever need to wash either side, you can. Very nicely thought. As you can see down here, you're going to have a nice little garbage can with place for storage for pots and pans. A place to put your sponge. Some more storage for pots and pans with a nice slide out if you need to reach those pots that are further in the back. More storage. One of the nice things about this unit as well is it's going to come with the induction cooktop. One of my favorite features, because this particular cooktop you can remove and take outside if that's something that you want to do. It is going to come with the convection oven microwave. Nicely thought out. They've gone away from putting the ovens in here, and one of the reasons why is you can have the convection oven up above and gives you more space. Nice drawers. One of my favorite features as well is, in addition to all the counter space that you see right here, you have an extender right here where by the press of a button you can release it. You have additional drawers here, but you can extend it out, giving you an extra place to prep food or anything that you may need it for. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, you do have a button to be able to put this TV down. It's set on a televator, so if you do want natural light, all you do is press a button and it will go down and give you that natural lighting. You're going to have a nice sound bar right up here, and this is going to be your area where you can connect your DVD player, your dish, direct TV, anything like that that you may be traveling with. On both sides of that as well, you have more storage. This particular couch, it does turn into a bed, so if you do have people staying with you, friends, family, you'll have another place for them to stay. So thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory. Once again, my name is Gaston Chavarin. Phone number is 541-810-2202. If you have any questions, please feel free and reach out. Thank you.